Hello and welcome. Thank you for joining me for another video. Now, before I get started today, I wanted to remind everyone that I do have a contest that's ongoing right now that ends on February the 8th of 2021. I'll link that video somewhere around the top up here so you guys can check that out and see the rules to enter. And it's regarding my new merchandise that's going to be for sale. I'm going to have an online store open and ready for business within days. So please stay tuned to that. I appreciate you guys so much, and thank you for, taking this journey with me. Now, getting to today's video. Super Bowl 55 is coming up February the 7th, 2021, and Roku has released on their blog some simple instructions on how to watch or stream that Super Bowl completely free, okay? Now, Bill Wilson is the author of this blog post. And taking a look at it here, it looks like we'll skim through it here to tell you that the teams have been announced, that the date is set, and of course, hopefully you know who's playing. It's going to be the Kansas City Chiefs and the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Now, here's how to watch or live stream the game for free. You can watch for free on CBS Sports and the NFL app. So I know a lot of you guys are, not doing the normal big game celebration and nobody's connected like they were, and we're not gathering in large crowds like we were, and everybody's doing it independently. And you may not have an antenna hooked up, or you may not have a subscription that gives you these type of live TV features, but the CBS Sports app and the NFL app both, and there are other different ways, but these two both give you access to watch the Super Bowl this upcoming Sunday, February the 7th, 2021. So if you were wondering how to do it, it's pretty easy. Just download one of those two apps and you can get it. Now, they also want to promote that you can get a free trial of the CBS All Access. You don't have to do that. With the CBS Sports app and the NFL app, along with a list of others, these are going to be pretty seamless. Download the app, watch the Super Bowl real time, and get to participate in it like we've done for for 55 other Super Bowls without the social gatherings. That's it, guys. Hope you enjoy the video. See you in the next one.